Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to connect Namecheap domain to Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe about 1 minute. From your Squarespace main menu, go to settings and select domains and select use a domain I want, and now enter here your domain. And click on connect domain and select here your domain provider. So my one is Namecheap, and click on connect domain and click on continue. And don't cross or cut this window. And now open your Namecheap dashboard and go to domain list and select that domain that you want to connect. Click on manage and select advanced DNS. And inside of host record section, you have to click on add new record and record type. Select here CNAME record. So here you can see the first record type will be CNAME, and copy this host and paste it inside of host section and copy this code and paste it inside of target and TTL. Set it automatic and click on this green icon and again click on add new record and go to your Squarespace DNS settings, and record type will be CNAME. Select here CNAME and host. Copy this code, paste into host, and target. Copy this target code and paste it here, and TTL, make it automatic and click on this green icon and again click on add new record and record type. Select a record. So we need to add these 4 records. So host, copy this @ paste it here. IP address, copy this first IP address and TTL, set to automatic and click on save. And the same way you have to add these 3 records, and everything will be same as this one, but the IP address will be changed. So here I've successfully created all records, and now I'm going to my Squarespace DNS settings and clicking on refresh records. And now you have to wait for the connection to complete. Now that you have entered the records, it can take 24 to 72 hours for the connection to start working properly. So this was how we can connect a domain to a Squarespace website. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.